The UI Assistant's prefab list allows you to reference and easily instantiate your frequently used UI elements from the Game Object menu. Right-click on your canvas of choice to open the Game Object menu, and under UI Assistant, select the UI element you wish to place in your scene. The menu lists Unity's selectables with the addition of the option cycler that comes with the UI Assistant. The list is, of course, customizable. I made a simple panel with 2 images and a text before recording. It will be used to showcase the UI Assistant's color features in a separate video. For now, let's turn it into a prefab. Next, let's open the prefab list from the Tools/UI Assistant menu and add the new prefab. As you can see, basic selectables are at the top. They cannot be removed, but you're free to reference your own selectables, giving you a UI menu for your own UI elements. Now that we've added a custom prefab, let's place it with the help of the menu. Your custom prefabs can be selected in the pop-up that appears after clicking on prefab at the top of the menu. When Auto Create Canvas is toggled on, the prefab list will automatically create a canvas if you try to instantiate a prefab outside the canvas. Visit the UI Assistant's Asset Store page by following the link in the description, or watch this next video if you'd like to learn more about its features.